Well, you must admit that caliper could be, this caliper, you know, it's hardly that can be in worse state than this. So yeah, it's from R6 Yamaha, and let's see, can we do anything about it. The other one is no better condition, so everything is rusted, seized. And first what we're gonna do, we'll put it in diesel and leave it for a few days. Let's see, can we do something about this. Just 24 hours later, it already looks much better. Let me try remove this, you know, hose that left from caliper and remove this nipple. Let's try. I must say, I'm impressed with diesel. So, you know, this is just, the gunk is so loose now. No, just a little bit toothbrush, and so I have a washer here. So, you know, under all that gunk I found, you know, disc plates. I rode on worse, that's for sure. So, okay, this is not, you know, look how shiny. Okay, the nipples and stuff like that we'll see. Maybe just good thorough cleaning can also. So yeah, I managed to brute force this pin out without, you know, removing the left of the pin, but I managed to do that without damaging anything. So now I already push out these two pistons, but I push them back in and I will hold them so I can remove these ones first, and I will do that with compressed air. So okay, so watch your fingers when you do this. Okay, second, just to try to wiggle him out. Hopefully I will do that. Yes. So now I need some method to hold the pressure in this chamber to remove it. So yeah, practically the two plates that are on this thread rods, and I can hold or push back in the cylinders when you change the pads, but for this I can use it. So I'll put the pressure here on this nylon, and I really didn't try this method, so maybe it will not work. So So now it's been soaking in diesel for a week maybe. I didn't want to soak it so much, but just I didn't have the time to do this. So now let's try. Just, you know, not tie that so much. Should hold enough to push this piston out, and I need to hold other two pistons with these pliers. So yeah, let's see, is this working? Okay, so let me explain again. So what we want to do here, see rubbers. So what we want to do here is to stuff something in these two holes that we put out the pistons, and then hold it with something, and just enough to build up enough pressure to put these other two pistons out. So let's try do this. So basically now I put this, you know, holder of mine in a way that it will not let the other piston to go more out, because I want this one to come out. And I just stuffed in this nitrile gloves, pair in each hole, and put the all the, you know, brake pad from Yamaha put as a holder. So I think I have a good enough chance to put pressure on this piston here to come out, and this one will wiggle out. So let's try this. I'll try to hold it so you can see. Wait. Okay, like this. Let's try. You see, I have some pressure leaving, but okay, that was just the glove exploding. And here we are. Okay, so now let me just, so now we have this piston removed all the way, and this one we will wiggle out. Yeah, so you see the state of the pistons. And this, we'll remove this gloves, and now we should be able to wiggle out. Yes. Yay. So the calipers are disassembled. If you don't have a compressor, air compressor, you know, for this, then the best way you can do it is just putting on some working master cylinder bike, and then use the oil to push out the pistons. I do it before I got air compressor, and it worked great, but this is even easier and better. So now I will clean everything You can see how messy this job is. I will clean everything and see what can I save and what not. We will see this pistons, because usually I saw guys throwing out the pistons like this, but first you need to clean them good, and the second, if they are bad just on the top, it doesn't matter, because this is the part that goes over the rubbers, and if that part of the piston is good, you are good to go. So, but these are edgy at best, but let's see when we clean them and clean everything. I think I will make 2 videos from this, so in next video I will show you everything after cleaning, and we will try to order the stuff we need and assemble everything.